हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का अपने आर एस केमिस्ट्री मस्ती चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज का टॉपिक क्लास 12th नीट जेई के लिए है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लेक्चर को शेयर कर देना है। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं क्या टॉपिक है। ईथर ईथर बाय प्रिपरेशन ईथर बाय प्रिपरेशन मोनो हाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। ईथर बाय प्रिपरेशन मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल बनाना है ईथर की हेल्प से। तो कैसे होगा देखो। ईथर, ये ईथर का जनरल फॉर्म, दिस इज फॉर्मूला ईथर with reaction water formula H2O, open structure, then positive sign and negative sign. This is conditions directly add hydrogen, then preparations ROH and R prime OH. Same conditions, hydroxyl group is called alcohol. Good. Alcohol is called water is called ether. Another conditions reaction or CH3 with reaction water HOH is called dimethyl ether and is called water. Then this is conditions negative sign and positive sign to directly add methanol's formula CH3OH and CH3OH negative sign CH3OH is called methanol and methanol's 2 CH3OH is called methyl alcohol. Okay, is called methanol methanol is called another names methyl alcohol. Screenshot himself, cell phone and laptop, and another's C2H5 O single bond C2H5 is called diethyl ether with reaction HOH is called water. Okay, H positive, negative sign, and negative and positive. Two positive directly add hydroxyl group. C2H5OH product creations. C2H5OH product creations, and another product C2H5OH. Good. Is called nomenclature ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is called ethyl alcohol. Okay. Next, alkylamine. Alkylamine by preparation by alkylamine by preparation monohydric alcohol. Alkylamine by preparation monohydric alcohol. Then alkylamine or single bond NH2 group is called amine. Alkyl or with reaction nitrous acid. Nitrous acid HONO. Then chemical reaction react preparation product negative sign and positive sign to directly add preparation hydroxyl group preparations alcohol ROH and water H2 and oxygen combinations water H2O and to nitrogen gas. Is called alkylamine. Alkylamine is called nitrous acid. Is called alcohol. Is called water. Is called nitrogen gas. Okay. Conditions, another conditions in use C2H5 place C2H5 NH2 is called ethylamine. Ethylamine. Good. With reaction nitrous acid. Then preparation product negative sign and positive sign. C2H5OH and N2 nitrogen gas and water H2O is called product ethanol. Ethanol's another nomenclature is called ethyl alcohol. Is called nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is called water. Okay. Just now screenshot. If my lecture good, then like and subscribe and more quantity share. Okay. Acetyl chloride and acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetyl chloride and acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetyl chloride and acetaldehyde, and ketone by preparation monohydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol in presence sodium amalgam, okay, sodium amalgam. Then information first conditions acetyl chloride formula are number 1.2 acetyl chloride B4, okay. Acetyl chloride general formula are single bond C, double bond O, single bond Cl. With reaction hydrogen in presence sodium amalgam NaHG, okay. Then preparations product HCl hydrochloric acid, preparation reaction HCl hydrochloric acid and R single bond CH2OH is called alcohol, is called hydrochloric acid, is called hydrogen, is called acetyl chloride. Okay, or in use CH3 C double bond OCl acetyl chloride with reaction hydrogen, then product preparation reaction compound this is alkyl acetyl chloride, okay. Acetyl chloride with reaction hydrogen, then reaction preparation compound HCl and another compound CH3 CH2OH is called ethanol, is called hydrochloric acid, okay. Just screenshot, is called acetyl chloride, is called hydrogen, Okay. Again, information acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde by preparation monohydric alcohol. Acetaldehyde formula CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde with reaction hydrogen H2. In presence sodium amalgam NaHG. Okay. Then preparations reaction product CH3CH2OH is called ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Okay. It's called acetaldehyde. It's called hydrogen. Okay. Another conditions. If alkyl aldehyde or single bond CHO, alkyl aldehyde with reaction hydrogen, then reaction product preparations compound alcohol or CH2OH is called alcohol. Is called alcohol. Okay. In presence sodium amalgam Hg. Hg is called mercury. Okay. Next informations. Ketone by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay. Ketone general formula R1 R2 C double bond O. Ketone with reaction hydrogen H2 in presence sodium amalgam NaHG. Then reaction react preparations compound R1 and R2 CHOH is called secondary alcohol. It's called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Okay. It's called ketone. It's called hydrogen. It's called hydrogen. 4. If we use CH3, C double bond O is called ketone. It's called ketone with reaction hydrogen H2 in presence sodium amalgam NaHG. Okay. Then react preparations compound CH3CHOH is called secondary alcohol. It's called secondary alcohol. Okay. It's called hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is called ketone. It's called ketone. Okay. Just screenshot. If my lecture good information, then like and subscribe and more quantity share. अगर मेरे लेक्चर भाई सही लग रहे हैं तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, इन लेक्चरों को वहां तक पहुंचा दो जो गरीब घर का बच्चा क्या है कि महंगी कोचिंग नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं। पैसे 1000 तक के बीच में कोचिंग चलती है केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट की, तो इन लेक्चरों को वहां तक शेयर कर दो जहां तक क्या है कि गरीब घर का बच्चा बेस्ट कोचिंगों के अंदर नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है अपनी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए। ठीक है, इसके बाद मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में।